Here are three things you don't want to do when you're beginning to learn cybersecurity. Number one, don't skip the fundamentals. Okay, maybe not that kind of skipping. The fundamentals lay the foundation for your cybersecurity career and the advanced concepts you'll be learning as you go in your career. Make sure to understand the basics before moving on to the advanced stuff. Number two, don't trivialize cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is a hard field to get into. There are several skills required to become a cybersecurity professional, and oftentimes, companies can be unrealistic with their expectations of entry-level cybersecurity professionals. Be ready to put in the work required to learn difficult skills that will make you a strong cybersecurity professional. Also, make sure to incorporate practical learning so that the skills you're learning become second nature to you. Number three, don't try to learn everything at once. Cybersecurity covers several domains, and it can become overwhelming when you realize how much you have to know. Take the time to solidify each skill you're learning and become proficient at them. It'll be better to be good or even okay at a couple of cybersecurity skills compared to knowing so many things but not being at least good at any of them. Finally, subscribe for more cybersecurity and cloud security advice.